Back again to metrics and stats to follow. We move forward to referral traffic. And here the connection to our previous SEO module is the most obvious. If your SEO is successful, then in the top referrers box you see here, you will see many visits from google.com and from other search engines. You will also get a list of the other websites that link to your site and that actually bring in visitors from those links. You can always try to improve this by creating partnerships where you place content on other websites. Try to have relevant content in as many places on the internet as possible. But you already know that from the SEO module. Placing links will not only get you SEO advantages though, but also potential extra traffic. Then your list of referrers will become longer.